Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this BoAt Airdopes 100. The problem in this is left side earbud is not working completely. So my assumption is this point might be not touching to this charging point inside here. Because of that this earbud is not charging, or else the battery of this earbud might be bad. So alright, first what I am going to do is I am going to clean these points and let's see whether this gets charged or not, or else we have to replace the battery of this. So before cleaning these points, I want to show you the close-up look of this. The dust accumulates in these points, because of that contacts might not happen. So you can see there is a sharp dot in that. Because of that might be contacts are not good. So I am going to clean those points and let's see whether this gets charged or not, or else we have to replace the battery of this earbud because this is completely dead. Alright, now use some sharp tool here. I will try to clean using this needle syringe here. This is sharp. If it is not possible, use some prying tool or anything which is sharp like tweezers. So let me try with the tweezers here. Just we have to scrub and remove the carbon or any dust accumulated on this contacting points. So I am going to clean these both points. We have to try cleaning inside the charging case as well, because there also this type of points are there, and if the dust is accumulated on those points, then even after cleaning these points the earbud might not charged. So alright, this is enough, just wipe it off. Alright, now I will try to clean these points. Inside this you can see there will be 2 points here. So these 2 points might have carbon or any dust coated as a layer of this above these points. Alright, let me try cleaning this using the same tweezers. While cleaning, the person who cleans this might feel the points, because we cannot show here, I cannot show here. But while cleaning you may feel that your tweezers are touching those metal points. You should have patience to clean these points, or else you may end up breaking those small leads here, because it is very thin and it is very delicate as well. Alright, now I have cleaned. Alright, now let's put this earbud in this case and let me wait for some time so that this may get charged inside. So the light is glowing here. Alright, let me wait for some 5-10 minutes and come back. Alright, so now this is charged for some time. Now let me check whether this is turning on or not. So I am going to open this and I will take the left earbud out here. You can see it is turned on, the light is blinking now. So the problem was this contacting points, not battery. Alright, let me connect this with smart device and let's listen the audio whether this is working perfectly or not, both the earbuds. So alright, now I will take this out here as well, the second one. So second one, this one, right one was working already. So you can see the light is blinking in this. You can see the Airdopes 100 is listing here. So I'm just clicking that. So it will ask for the permission here. Yes. And clicking the pair button here. So I'm just clicking OK here. You can see 70% of the battery is remaining here. Now let me play the song. I will use my studio mic here. Please put on your earphones or headphones so that you can listen the audio quality of this Airdopes 100 as well. Alright, let me play a song here. Alright, the left one, the problematic one is working perfectly. Now let's listen this right one. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played.
No, I don't.
So alright, both the left one and the right one is working perfectly without any problem. I thought of replacing the battery because this was not working, the left one. So it was, the problem was this contacting points. From this case you get the voltage here to charge the battery of this earbud. So the contacting point was not good, because of that this earbud was not charging. So that is the reason this was completely dead. Now it is completely fine. Alright, so I will put this back in this housing so that let this get charged. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioWiz360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.